Hi, I'm Dean Corrigan, Head of Client Development at Contactor. I'm here today to talk about speech transfer systems, also known as counter intercoms, window intercoms, or talk-through systems. Intercom systems enable and enhance communication through perspex or glazed safety screens. Developed from 50 years of experience, Contactor speech systems offer excellent quality of sound. They're hands-free, always switched on, and with their robust housings, they're easy to sanitize. Open duplex technology means that units offer dual-way communication with built-in hearing loop facility for clear sound for hearing aid wearers. We have a wide range of designs to suit a number of different applications and sectors, including care homes, retail, transport, hospitals, surgeries and health clinics, banks, information centres, and ticket windows, to name a few. Our intercom systems are on virtually every high street and retail park in the UK, and we have been helping some of the biggest brands to communicate clearly with their customers since 1970. Our systems offer hands-free operation. They are easy to sanitize, an excellent clarity of sound, and a high quality of performance. The development of our product is always based on our clients' needs and requirements. We have a product range for all environments, from low to high ambient noise conditions. Where security is paramount, robust systems for counters with a high volume of user interaction, and where customers and staff safety is imperative. We aim to make things simple for everyone involved, from businesses to installers, customers and staff. Talk to us today on 01732 223 900 or email us at sales@contactor.co.uk.